agad yun.
Sorry sir, can I?
20,000 baht. Nandito mo, Buddhist. Bibili tayo ng ano guys, ang atawa natin guys.
Aram.
14,000 baht. Halos 20 million. Excuse me.
17.
How much?
14 คนอนุญาตเลยค่ะ
But right now, 3.8 grams, right? Wait, go ma. How much again? Again? 14. What kind of gold? Saudi gold? Just gold. Just gold. You want to choose again another design?
Can you like this?
How much this?
Same price.
Oh, same price.
I can
You can try because you look like my wife.
He is looking white here in Thailand. Okay, ano? Kalbang. Saan na bata? Batang-bata ka pa, dami mo. Kasi pag naglaki ka ng lupang, kasunod niyan ko, security. Grabe mo? Bakod ko. Ang bakod mo, million agad yun.
Sorry sir, can I?
So guys, para...
Ulit.
So guys, withdraw tayo guys, pambayad ng ano ba? Utang ba? Ayun. Hila ko lang bala mag-cut yun.
Wait, paano mag-withdraw?
Hey, ano mo sa akin mamaya? Wait. Tara. So ayan guys, bayad na tayo. 20,000 baht.
Say yai.
Ay. It's okay. So yun guys, bumili tayo guys para sa asawa din. Kasi mahal natin yung pamilya. Family first.
Okay, habo kayo. Chim.บอกว่าชิดไหมOkay, this one earring.
Wow. Very nice. First time ko bumili namin. Ayun, para sa anak at asawa. Kakain.